So dear students, good morning to everybody. In the last class we have discussed regarding the very important aspect, that is BDC, that is regarding that methods of preparation and its synthetic uses. BDC, that is benzene diazonium chloride, that is having very important in the synthesis of so many aromatic compounds. So we have discussed some of these properties. Today we will again discuss these properties, that is synthetic uses of the same, with some conversions related to that BDC, or this conversion that will proceed to that BDC, that is benzene diazonium chloride. So regarding this is the formula for that BDC, that is benzene diazonium chloride. How this compound that is produced? This compound that is produced by taking aniline, benzene that is having NH2, aniline with that of the NaNO2 and HCl at about 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. That is known as diazotization. This process that is known as diazotization. So how this aniline that will be obtained? That is obtained from nitrobenzene. Benzening that is having NO2. So that is treated with tin and HCl. So NO2 group is converted to NH2. Then the formation that aniline. This is your aniline. Aniline. This is nitrobenzene. So how this nitrobenzene that is obtained? This nitrobenzene that is obtained by the reaction of benzene with that of the benzene that has been treated with, that is HNO3, concentrate nitric acid and concentrate sulfuric acid. Concentrate nitric acid and concentrate sulfuric acid. So whenever benzene that has been treated with concentrate nitric acid and concentrate sulfuric acid, there is the formation of that nitrobenzene, and this process that is known as nitration. This is your nitration of benzene. Nitration of benzene means there is the entry of that NO2 group in the benzene ring. So tin and HCl, NO2 group that is converted to NH2 by the process that is known as reduction. This is the reduction. NO2 group is converted to NH2. So next one, that is aniline that is treated with NaNO2 and HCl at about 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, that is 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. There is the formation of that BDC. This is your BDC, that is benzene diazonium chloride. So the conversion of aniline to BDC, that is known as diazotization. So from this BDC, from that benzene diazonium chloride, we can obtain so many aromatic compounds which have the synthetic uses. Therefore, this is treated as synthetic uses of BDC. That is also the chemical properties. Chemical properties of BDC, and that is named as synthetic uses, because that compound is very important for the synthesis of so many, that is aromatic compounds. We will discuss, that is regarding the method of preparation of that iodobenzene. How that iodobenzene that is obtained from that BDC that has been treated with Ki, potassium iodide, there is the formation of iodobenzene. That is the iodobenzene. Next one, benzene diazonium chloride that has been treated with HbF4. There is the formation of that fluorobenzene. Benzening that is attached with fluorine. That reaction that is known as Seemann reaction. That is fluorobenzene. That is Seemann-Blanch reaction. Seemann-Blanch reaction, that is conversion of BDC to fluorobenzene in presence of that HbF4. So BDC that has been treated with CuCl and HCl, there is the formation of that chlorobenzene. There is the formation of that chlorobenzene. And benzene diazoxide chloride that has been treated with CuBr and HBr, there is the formation of that is bromobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene. This is your chlorobenzene, this is bromobenzene. So next one, BDC that has been treated with boiled water. BDC that has been treated with boiled water, there is the formation of that phenol, benzening that is attached with OH. There is the formation of that phenol. Therefore, that during the formation of that BDC from aniline, the temperature that must be maintained within 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, otherwise phenol will be formed. That is aniline that is treated with NaNO2 and HCl, that is diazotization that is treated with NaNO2 and HCl, or that is nitrous acid, that the formation of that BDC, the temperature that must be maintained within 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin, otherwise phenol will be formed. If we heat that material, then BDC will be formed, and immediately after the formation of that BDC will be converted into phenol. Therefore, temperature must be maintained within 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. This is one of the most important precaution, that is precaution for the preparation of that BDC. Next one, that is BDC that has been treated with NaNO2. There is the formation of that nitrobenzene. There is the formation of that nitrobenzene. So BDC that has been treated with NaNO2, there is the formation of nitrobenzene. We have discussed regarding the precaution of that formation of that BDC, excess use of NaNO2 that should be avoided. We have used that NaNO2. If we use excess amount of that NaNO2, there is the formation of BDC, and immediately after the formation of that BDC, again that reacts with NaNO2 to form nitrobenzene. So there is the formation of that nitrobenzene. Therefore, during the formation of that BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, excess use of NaNO2 that should be avoided, otherwise there is the formation of that nitrobenzene. So whenever BDC that has been treated with that is tin and HCl, there is the formation of that is phenyl hydrazine, C6H5NH NH2, C6H5NH NH2. There is the formation of that phenyl hydrazine. So next one, BDC that has been treated with that is benzene. BDC that has been treated with benzene in presence of NaOH, and there is the formation of biphenyl. If the question is there, give 3 methods for the preparation of that biphenyl. 2 benzene rings that has been joined through a single bond. 2 benzene rings that has been joined by the single bond. Plus there is the formation of NaCl and N2. Side product that is NaCl and N2. Nitrogen gas that gets evolved. So how that biphenyl is prepared? Already we have discussed regarding the formation of that biphenyl, that is during that alkyl and aryl halide chapter. Remember, what is that Ullmann reaction? What is that Ullmann reaction? When iodobenzene that has been treated with copper, iodobenzene that has been treated with copper, there is the formation of biphenyl. Another method, that is Fittig reaction, that is chlorobenzene or bromobenzene that has been treated with metallic sodium in dry ether. Dry ether, there is the formation of that biphenyl. And this is also another method for the preparation of biphenyl. That is BDC that has been treated with benzene in presence of alkali, that is NaOH, to form that biphenyl. So these are 3 methods for the preparation of biphenyl. What are those methods? First one, that is fatigue reaction. Fatigue reaction, that is fluorobenzene or bromobenzene that has been treated with metallic sodium in dry ether, that the formation of biphenyl. Second one, that is fatigue reaction. Fatigue reaction, that is fluorobenzene or bromobenzene that has been treated with metallic sodium in presence of diether to form, that is biphenyl. Second one, that is Ullmann reaction. Ullmann reaction, what is that Ullmann reaction? Iodobenzene that has been reacted with copper and there is the formation of biphenyl. And third method, BDC that has been treated with benzene in presence of NaOH, there is the formation of biphenyl. So all the three methods for the preparation of that biphenyl, this is one method, and other two methods we have discussed these two methods in the alkyl and aryl halide chapter. Next one, and this reaction, these two reactions that is known as Sandmeyer's reaction, this is your Seemann-Blank. Seemann-Blank. Seemann-Blank reaction, these two reactions are Sandmeyer's. Sandmeyer's reaction. Next one we will discuss regarding, that is coupling reaction. What is that coupling reaction? That is BDC, benzene diazonium chloride that has been reacted with phenol. So H and Cl, that is removed in the form of HCl. That is BDC that has been reacted with aniline. BDC that has been reacted with NN dimethyl aniline. That is NN dimethyl aniline. So H part and Cl part that is removed in the form of HCl. So again BDC that has been treated with beta naphthol. Alpha position, the fuse point alpha position, beta position. Beta naphthol. Again this H part and Cl part that is removed in the form of HCl. In all these cases that the formation of that colored materials, that is dye, colored dye will be formed, that the formation of azo dyes. Azo dye, and this reaction that is known as coupling reaction, and this coupling reaction that takes place either in presence of acid or in presence of base. So phenol, this reaction that takes place in presence of that base. In case of aniline, that takes place in presence of that acid, and in case of phenol, that takes place in presence of that is base. So what are these products? These are the colored product formation. These are the colored product formation. This is regarding BDC with that of the phenol. There is the formation of parahydroxy azobenzene. There is the formation of parahydroxy azobenzene. H and Cl removed in the form of HCl, benzening N double bond N, benzene OH. Parahydroxy azobenzene. Parahydroxy azobenzene. So BDC that has been treated with aniline, this reaction that takes place in presence of alkali, that is OH minus. This reaction that takes place in presence of acid. So H part and Cl part that combine to form HCl. So there is the formation of N double bond N, benzening, there NH2. H and Cl removed in the form of HCl, there is the formation of P-amino, para-amino, para position that contain NH2 group, P-amino, azobenzene, P-amino, azobenzene. P-amino, that is azobenzene. Similarly, all the colored materials, all the examples of that colored materials. Similarly, BDC that has been reacted with NN dimethyl, that is aniline. So H and Cl that is removed in the form of that HCl. So what are those products? Benzene ring, N double bond N, benzene ring, that is N CH3 whole 2. That is NN dimethyl, NN dimethyl, NN dimethyl, P amino, that is azobenzene. That is also colored material. That is orange dye, or that is orange red dye, yellow dye. This is your yellow dye, orange dye, yellow dye, orange red dye. Similarly, different colored materials, H part and Cl part, that is removed in the form of HCl. So there is the formation of this product. N double bond N, that is attached with benzene ring, OH, so that is your colored material. All here the examples of the colored materials, that is azo dyes. There the different dye material, DYE, dye, that is colored materials. That is azo dyes. This is azo group. These are the azo dye, different colored material that is produced. And that reaction that is taking, that is known as coupling reaction, and that reaction that takes place either in presence of alkali or in presence of that acid, depending upon the whatever the material that we have taken. So next one, BDC that has been treated with CuCN and SCN. This is also known as Sandmeyer's reaction. This reaction is also known as Sandmeyer's reaction. This reaction is also known as Sandmeyer's reaction. So whenever BDC that has been treated with CuCN, SCN, there is the formation of benzonitrile. There is the formation of that benzonitrile. BDC that has been treated with CuCN and SCN, there is the formation of that benzonitrile. So this benzonitrile on reduction, whenever that has been reduced, there is the formation of, that is CH2 NH2, that is benzyl amine. That is treated with H plus and water, that is acid hydrolysis, that is hydrolyzed in presence of acid. There is the CN group that is converted to COOH group, that is benzoic acid, COOH. There is the formation of that benzoic acid. Benzonitrile that has been treated with H plus and water, that is acid hydrolyzed, there is the formation of that benzoic acid. Similarly, when benzonitrile that is hydrolyzed in presence of alkali, alkaline hydrolysis, there is the formation of that benzamide, CONH2, that is benzamide. This is your, that is benzylamine, this is benzylamine, this is benzoic acid, this is benzamide. So whenever this benzylamine that has been treated with nitrous acid, HNO2, there is the formation of benzyl alcohol, CH2OH. That has been treated with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2, there is the formation of, that is benzyl chloride. Benzoic acid that has been treated with SOCl2, there is the formation of benzoyl chloride, COCl. Mark it. This is your benzyl chloride, this is your benzyl chloride, and this is your benzoyl chloride. Benzonitrile that has been treated with lithium aluminum hydride, that the formation on reduction that gives benzylamine, benzylamine that has been treated with nitrous acid, there is the formation of benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol that has been treated with SOCl2, PCl3 or PCl5, there is the formation of that benzyl chloride. This is your benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride, this is benzyl alcohol, but this is your SOCl2. So when benzonitrile is hydrolyzed in presence of acid, there is the formation of benzoic acid. That benzoic acid that treated with SOCl2, thionyl chloride, OH group will get replaced by that Cl, that is known as benzoyl. Benzoyl chloride. This is benzyl chloride, this is benzoyl chloride, and this is benzamide. So this is regarding, that is BDC, that is regarding methods of preparation. Methods of preparation, if we will analyze the whole board, that is question and answer, we will start from that BDC. Whole board. If we will start from that BDC, that is benzene, and we want to reach at the benzoyl or benzyl chloride, and that is organic conversion. We have to start from that benzene and we have to reach at that benzyl chloride. Start from that benzene and reach from that benzyl chloride or benzoyl chloride, or that is para-hydroxyazobenzene, means that is one type of organic conversion. How that is done? Benzene that has been treated with HNO3 and H2SO4, there is the formation of that nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene that has been treated with tin and HCl, there is the formation of that aniline. Aniline that has been treated with NaNO2 and HCl, BDC. BDC that has been treated with CuCN and SCN. BDC that has been treated with CuCN and SCN, there is the formation of benzonitrile. Benzonitrile that has been treated with LiAlH4, there is the formation of benzylamine. Benzylamine that has been treated with NaNO2 and HCl, that is HNO2, NaNO2 and HCl, there is the formation of benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol that has been treated with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2, there is the formation of benzyl chloride. That is known as organic conversion. One type of compound that is converted into another kind. We have started from that benzene. And we have reached at that benzyl chloride. We have started from that benzene and we have to reach that benzoyl chloride. How? Benzene, HNO3H2SO4, nitrobenzene, tin and HCl aniline, NaNO2 and HCl, BDC. BDC that has been treated with CuCN and SCN, benzonitrile. Benzonitrile that has been treated with, that is H+ and water, that is acid hydrolysis, there is the formation of that benzoic acid. Benzoic acid that has been treated with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2, there is the formation of that benzoyl chloride. These are the organic conversions. One type of compound that is converted into another kind through that BDC. These are the aromatic organic conversion. Maximum question that will proceed through that BDC. So if we will convert benzene to para-hydroxyazobenzene. We want to convert benzene to, that is para-hydroxyazobenzene. Benzene to para-hydroxyazobenzene. How it is done? Benzene, HNO3H2SO4, that is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene, tin and HCl, aniline. Aniline, NaNO2 and HCl, BDC. BDC that has been treated with phenol. BDC that has been treated with phenol, there is a formation of para-hydroxyazobenzene. That is a colored dye, orange color dye that will produce. If we will start from that benzene and we have to reach at that phenol. Starting from that benzene, you have to reach at the phenol. How it is done? We have to start from that benzene, we have to reach at the phenol. Benzene, HNO3H2SO4, nitrobenzene. Tin and HCl, aniline. NaNO2 and HCl, BDC. BDC that has been treated with boiled water, there is the formation of, that is phenol. that there is the formation of that phenol. So that is one type of conversion. Then how to convert BDC or that is benzene to that is your biphenyl. How benzene that is converted to biphenyl. What are the different steps? Same, we have to start from that benzene, reach at the BDC. BDC that has been treated with benzene and NaOH, there is the formation of that is biphenyl. So benzene, first we have to remember that is benzene that has been that is reacted with HNO3 and H2SO4, there is the formation of nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene that has been treated with tin and HCl, there is the formation of that aniline. Aniline that has been treated with NaNO2 and HCl, there is the formation of BDC. BDC that has been treated with benzene, NaOH, biphenyl, reduction, phenyl hydrazine, NaNO2, nitrobenzene, BDC that has been treated with boiled water, phenol, CuBr, HBr, bromobenzene, CuCl, HCl, chlorobenzene, HBF4 that is fluorobenzene. Fluorobenzene or bromobenzene that can be prepared by any method, that is chlorination, bromination, etc. But fluorobenzene cannot be prepared by that is fluorination of that benzene because fluorine is very reactive. So this is the suitable method for the preparation of fluorobenzene. Suitable method for the preparation of that fluorobenzene. That is BDC that has been treated with HBF4, that the formation of that fluorobenzene. Similarly, iodobenzene formation that is slow and reversible. We have discussed already in that aryl halide chapter. The formation of iodobenzene from that benzene that is slow and reversible, that is done in presence of oxidizing agent like HNO3, phosphoric acid, etc. But in this method, directly we can obtain that iodobenzene, that is BDC directly treated with Ki, there the formation of that iodobenzene, and rest part that will be removed, that is KCl and N2, KCl and N2, that is removed in the form of KCl and N2 and iodobenzene. So there is the formation of that iodobenzene. So these are the different type of conversions which we have explained to that BDC. If we will tell how that p-amino azobenzene that will be produced. Para-amino azobenzene, that is one of the yellow dye, yellow azo dye. How that will be obtained? We will obtain that same material from that is from that benzene. Benzene, HNO3H2SO4, that is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene, tin and HCl, that is aniline. Aniline that has been treated with NaNO2 and HCl, that is BDC. So BDC that has been treated with, that is aniline. BDC that has been treated with aniline, there is the formation of that is p-amino azobenzene. So all their different conversions. So dear students, go through that BDC in detail. Whatever the reaction that has been given today and yesterday that we have discussed in the last class also, BDC that is one of the very, very important organic compound, that is aromatic compound that can be used for the preparation of so many aromatic compounds. Therefore, we have to start from that BDC. Whenever the question that comes, that is regarding methods of preparation of BDC, that is BDC that is not from that aniline. Question that is from that nitrobenzene. Means we have to do two reactions. That is nitrobenzene that has been reduced with tin and HCl, that the formation of that aniline. Aniline that has been treated with NaNO2 and HCl, that the formation of BDC at about 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. We have to write down these two equations. 1/2 marks. The preparation that contain 3 marks and rest 4 marks, any one of these two questions. How that will be obtained, how phenol is obtained from the BDC, means BDC is treated with boiled water. How p-amino azobenzene that is obtained, BDC that is treated with aniline. How para-hydroxy azobenzene that is obtained, means BDC that has been treated with phenol. So all the different method, that is method of preparation of that BDC, synthetic uses, and also how that helpful during that organic conversions. Thank you all.